Hi everyone, it's Raquel from the Curl Factory, and I'm going to share with you some hair tips that I'm using during lockdown or quarantine in South Africa using the Perfect Hair. If you know me, you know I love a really good deep conditioner, and I'm going to share with you a product from the Perfect Hair, and this is the Grow on the Go line. Now, the fact that it says grow means it promotes hair growth, and this product in my hand is the creamy conditioner, and it says that you can use it as often as you like or as required to condition for intense moisture delivery while promoting healthy hair growth. While we're on lockdown, let's not neglect our hair. Make sure you deep conditioning every single week. What I also love about this brand is that it's curly girl friendly. On the packaging it tells us there's no petroleum, there's no sulfates, there's no parabens, and it's also silicone free. Guys, deep condition your hair. I absolutely swear by it, and it's a tip that I'm sharing with you guys to keep your hair healthy. If you want to know more about the Grow on the Go line, you can visit the Perfect Hair. You can also visit the Curl Factory, which is my channel. I have a video using all of the products from this line, so check that out.